letter sounds, Group 6. Listen and repeat after me.
This. Three.
There are 2 TH letter sounds. Listen to the sounds very carefully. One is the voiced TH sound. The other is the unvoiced TH sound. Let's use all these letter sounds to blend. Voiced V, a, n, van, m, them, s, this, w, e, v, with. The unvoiced thin, thank, theft, teeth.
TH makes 2 sounds, a quiet sound and a noisy sound. At the beginning of most words, TH makes a noisy sound. The, they, then, this, that, there. To make this sound, you have to make your tongue tickle. No, not like that. Touch the back of your teeth with your tongue. Feel the tickle as it vibrates. Say the. Ah, very, very good. Now let's try the quiet sound. TH at the end of a word makes a quiet sound. Bath, path, moth, both, teeth. Stick out your tongue. This is the only time you can stick your tongue out without being rude. Rest your teeth on your tongue. Now blow. Very good. Now keep practicing.
This clip was taken from Hairy Phonological. For more fun with Harrys and Yetis, go to Nessie.com.
cheesy, 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 happy, happy cheese sounds.
Hi, I love sounds like and even. Let's look at this sound. This sound has two letters, T and H. We all know that T says T and H says but when we put them together, TH says just kidding. TH says huh? What? Really? Oh, I see. Okay, apparently TH also has another sound. TH also says the. So again, TH has two sounds, the th sound and the sound. Many words start with the T and H, the sound. For example, 3, think, thunder. Can you think of a word that starts with the TH, th sound? Ready, go. What day is it today? Is it the day after Wednesday? Time's up. Many words also end with the T and H, th sound. For example, tooth, cloth, bath. Can you think of a word that ends with the th sound? Ready, go! My favorite subject is the one with all the numbers. Time's up. Some words have the other TH, the sound in them. For example, this, feather, brother. Can you think of a word that has the TH, the sound in it? Ready, go! Do you have any ideas? Yes, you, over there. Time's up. Okay, don't forget the TH, the sound, and the TH, the sound. Until next time. 3 brothers. 3 brothers. 3 brothers.